Schlage smart locks use tamper detection to safeguard against break-ins, but false alarms are a common issue. These alarms are triggered by built-in sensors, accelerometers, microswitches, and sometimes gyroscopes that detect unusual vibrations or force. If your Schlage lock alarm keeps going off, start by checking for environmental factors like construction, traffic, or even temperature changes. The key is to find a balance between security and minimizing false positives. Also consider that compatibility glitches with third-party integrations with platforms like Apple Home and Google Nest may exacerbate the issue. To fix frequent false alarms, first adjust the sensitivity settings in the Schlage Home app for iOS or Android. Lowering the sensitivity reduces the likelihood of alarms triggered by minor disturbances like door drafts or nearby vibrations. Start at medium sensitivity and monitor the lock's behavior for 24 to 48 hours to see if false alarms decrease. If problems persist after adjusting sensitivity, consider a factory reset. This restores the lock to its default settings and erases all user data, codes, and customizations. To perform a reset, follow the specific key sequence outlined in your user manual or use the app's reset option. After the reset, repair the lock with the app and reconnect to Wi-Fi. If issues continue after these steps, consult a professional locksmith or Schlage support, as installation errors or hardware faults might be the cause. Remember to keep your Schlage lock firmware updated to address bugs that contribute to alarm issues.